Really good though.
Buddhists are the enemies of the black man. I'm sorry, but soft kill is their thing. That's why Buddha looks like a big fat Roman like Cupid and wears a similar sort of, was it a tonga or I forgot what it's called, but he wears a similar apparel. And Egyptians wear a certain apparel that reflects their martial art beliefs, whereas Nubians and other Africans wear apparel that reflects their beliefs. And so this is another pervasive Japheth theme. You were very disrespectful, Buddhists, and because you keep rubbing in that one half black or whatever female at Herb's Club is having sex, I don't know if it's true or not, but they keep harassing me about that with the staff because I said she was cute. I don't want anything to do with you, Buddhists. You are my number one enemy right now. You know I was down on luck, and you continue to insult me with your Japheth allies. You sent two, I said, don't harass me anymore. I'm gonna have to do something to one of you. I saw two of you on the side of the road. I pulled over. I put you in check, so help me God. They paid me Obi Essence by backing up. By myself, I put two of them in check. Okay, do I have to piss on an ant for you to concede my point publicly? Do I have to put my hand on a midget's neck, head, while he flails his arms? I can't reach him! Before you concede the fucking point. Stop pretending that 100 miles is the same as 2 feet. Distance is key, and you can't cover it. I would cut you fucking up long before you could ever dream of covering it.